Hey everyone, so quick video. If you have floor mats that look like this, and you probably live in the Midwest and you've tried cleaning these, but you aren't able to get them any cleaner than this is going to be the video for you. So I have a quick kind of tip or product to use on these that makes them a lot better. And so I'll show you what that is. This is Meguiar is actually Ultimate Black, and this they actually prescribe to use on other parts on exterior, but it works really well on this. So I'll show you kind of a little bit on how I applied this, and it's really pretty straightforward, and then also what the final product looks like. So once again, this is the Ultimate Black Plastic Restorer. I think this runs for about $5 to $8, and so it's a pretty cheap solution here. And so pretty straightforward. We're just going to put some of this on a rag and just go ahead and apply it. This rubber really soaks it up, so we can just kind of put it on. And usually there's some dirt still on there too. And so we're kind of cleaning that away too. So for those clean freaks out there that really like to have their car looking nice, this is a really good way to do it. So as you can see, it really adds that color pretty quickly. So I'll show you what a final one looks like here, and then you guys can get to work on it yourselves. So it looks a lot better already. Like I said, you can use this pretty liberally and just put a lot on there. It's going on the floor anyways, so it doesn't have to be perfect, but looks 10 times better in my opinion. And if you're a clean freak like me, this is awesome, and it's great to have in the car. So anyhow, thanks everybody for watching. If you could, leave a like, comment, and if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. Thanks.